Hi guys, what's up? In this video we'll make this scroll animation. It's affected by scrolling. As you see, it's responsive. We start our project with our images and open our folder with our editor. We'll use VS Code. First create the HTML file, index.html. Inside this file, type exclamation point followed by enter to generate initial HTML. We have main and footer. This just for making our page scrolled. And here is boxes div. It is the container of our box. We have 8 boxes in it. Every box has h2 and the image. We'll make it stripped, so we use once white image and once a blue one. So white and second blue and so on. And do that for every box. And here we go. Let's take a look with the live server extension. It looks terrible. So let's style it, create a CSS file and link it in our HTML file. We set everything padding 0 and margin 0. Then we set our variables in the root. The root is the highest element in the DOM. We have blue and white variables. We add some gray background to the body and font family sans serif and main and footer with 100% and height 100 report width. To fill the screen, display flex and justify content center and align items center to center their content. H1 font size 64 and color blue, and box max width 776 and width 90% and margin auto to center it. And every box here has 60 pixel height and display flex. Justify content space between, so the H2 will take the far left and the image the far right. Align items center to center it vertically and add some left and right padding. We should add the main text in H1 and box nth of type 2n+1. That's mean select once and once no, starting with the first one to make it a strip. So background color blue and color white, and box nth of type 2n. That means select once and once no, starting with the second one. And background color white and color blue, and add to each box its width. We have 8 boxes and Here we go. And fix this. It is 100 report width, not percent. And add to box h2 its font size and font weight. Now let's make it come alive with JavaScript. First, to create our main.js file and link it in our HTML file in the script tag as you see here, and we select all the boxes in a node list with the document.query selector. All the node list is something like the array, and window add event listener scrolled. That's mean when scroll implement the scrolled function, and here is our scrolled function. We loop through our box. So box, for each box we have let speed equal window point scroll y minus box point offset top divide by 2. This is the movement speed of our box. And box style transform equal translate speed percent. And as you see here, we have to stop our box in their original place. So if speed greater than 0, box point style point transform equal translate 0. And here we go. Now let's make it responsive. So we have to add a breakpoint here. So media screen and max width 1000 pixel, main and footer with 90% to add some white space, and height auto and margin auto to center it, and add some top and bottom padding. Great. And h1 font size 7 report width, and box h2 font size 6 report width to work responsive, and box with 100% important to force all box to make 100% width. And as you see, the responsiveness worked great. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next video. If you like the video, please like, and if you want more about this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification.